Oh, hi guys. Today, had a good idea on dog plan. No, we're not doing missions. You might have knew that's why I made this video, but no, I had a good idea what to do. We will stay in my doghouse, not like not like go on that ground. But luckily, there's some fun things to do, like get on the skateboard and things, but I didn't. And then we can like skateboard around and there's food and things. There's some missions in here if you know. So we can do some missions. What's this? Wait, what's in here? Wasn't mean to bark. Sorry. Wait a second. Hey, I have a good idea. Wait. Oh, we can't glitch in dog plan. Oh, bruh. I don't want to do. Wait, can I glitch? In dog play? No, I can't. We can glitch in Lion Cat. Oh, okay. We already lost once. We get 3 chances. So 2 chances. We have to climb. If the owner comes here, you have to like and subscribe. I didn't. Okay. Bruh. Wait, I can have a bone? Come on, wait.
That's a good idea. Maybe try it next time.
What? Sniff. I can't sniff. My headset was a bit itchy. No. Wait, yes! The first light in dog land. Wait, no, we lost the soccer ball. Yes. Why is it turn gray when the owner leaves? Sniff. Sniff, that's upset. Go away, I don't need you. Okay, my headset's always itchy. Why is it spelled no? No. Wait, what's this? I need to approach the front door. Approach. That's what it is. Come back, owner. I miss you. Wait. And I can't go back to sleep for a while. Yes, the owner's back. Wait. Ignore the game. Let's get the thing. Ignore it. I get one more chance. Yes. No. Ignore the chance. Yes. Thank you. Wait. I need it. Come on. Give me the cheek. Give me the cheek. Hey. Wait, Kai. I would have. Okay, I already lost. Like and subscribe. I didn't do anything over. That's all I do. What shall I do? Nothing. I need to put this in my mouth to jump up here and put it where the chick is. Come on. Get up. Wait. Yes! Let's see what's on the missions list. No! Bruh. Yeah, let's go to sleep. Let's just climb. My headset's itchy. If your headset... Oh, I lost again. Like, it's just good. Okay, I keep saying like and subscribe. I only have 12 subscribers. Climb. Wait. It's glitch. Wait, what? Wait, what's it there? I'm gonna make him mad. I'm gonna bark on top of here, see what happens. Come up. I'm gonna try to make that owner mad, then try. He's gonna try to get up. No, I keep doing that. I'm gonna try to make him mad, but I can't press the index finger first. Come on. Let's get the highest point. No! I lost again. Okay. Wait. No! Doing it. Hey, yeah. I didn't mean to again. No! How could I get up there? I always have to bet. No. Help me. If you're ever... No, this is gonna be so... Okay. Wait, can he actually get in here? But let me get up here if he could, because just in case if he could, like, and comment, and... No! No! He's barking the whole way. I'm barking. Can he actually break this? No. How can I get up? No.
You little beast.
Bro, he's so dumb. Where are you going, Mona? Bruh. This one is super dumb. This is gonna be gone. When are you gonna stop? Why are you
You
super
little
mad?
bastard. Next time it won't be so easy.
Gives up. Oh, what's this? Wait. I think so.
Hey,
I'm gonna
little
take it
one.
down. This is... Yes, I took it down. I actually feel bad now. I want to show him the picture. I want to show... Imagine if he cried because this is our happy time. What? Imagine that. Ah, the beep beep is in my head. I didn't mean to bark. Owner, where are you?
If that
Owner,
restaurant is fully booked
I have a
tonight,
surprise for
we can
you.
change to another place to eat. It
I'm
depends
literally
on the
bringing
situation at
this.
any time.
Where
Don't be
are
restrained.
you? Okay, I guess we lost, so like and subscribe.